Hey, Jen Q and Shift Cycling. We are shifting today in the Food Works here in Guilford. Big question people ask is, what should I be eating? What do I need to fuel my body? Big thing about this is nutrition. 80% of what you're doing is what you put into your mouth. So here we are in Food Works. Keep in mind, when we're grocery shopping, we want to stay to the outside of the grocery store. We know that. Big thing here, stay in the produce. Why? Your fruits and vegetables are all here. Specifically, we are here in organic land. Everything here is organic. A couple things that we're going to talk about, staples for your kitchen. A couple is this. Let's start with breakfast. Can't go wrong with a Siggi's yogurt. Something simple. You can add berries to that for a great breakfast. In addition to that, you can also take your yogurt and your berries and add that with a little protein powder and potentially some fresh spinach, okay? And you've got your smoothie. You can use your smoothie for breakfast, or you can also use that for a snack. I love the organic spinach because I make it for dinner, I make it for breakfast. It's a staple. Saute it up and you're good to go. A couple other things that I love is, and you'll see these. These are perfect colored carrots. They're great for the kids. They're great for you. Peel these up, pre-portion them into bags, and then you can couple this with hummus, and that's a great snack. Great for you and the kids. A couple other things for snacking. Almonds, great go-to. Remember that a quarter cup of almonds or mixed nuts is going to last you throughout the day. Point here, put it in a small pre-portioned bag. That quarter cup will take you throughout the day. Need a snack, need an easy lunch, stop. They've got pre-made black bean burgers, all kinds of prepared foods. Remember that when you're choosing a prepared food, think smart, right? Good choices. A couple other fun things that I like to have. Steel cut oats, another good solution in the morning for breakfast, or you can also have that in the afternoon snack. Fuel your body, you've got to hydrate. Three of my favorite beverages, we've got coconut water. In addition to that, we've got the green lemonade. If you're a shifter, you know this is the same green lemonade that we get on Tuesdays and Saturdays. You can pick it up ready to go here at Food Works. And this is one of my all-time favorite splurges. It is the lemon water. It is one of the best waters you're ever going to taste, guaranteed. And finally, two other things that I want to share with you that are on top of my priority list that I love. Farro, right? You cook it with water, chicken stock, vegetable stock. It's a great side with some fresh vegetables. It's an amazing, amazing dish. Finally, we've got the spaghetti squash. Cut it in half, put it on a pan in the oven, let it roast for 15 minutes, take it out, peel it with a fork, shave it, couple that with some marinara sauce or a nice turkey bolognese, and you are good to go for dinner. Remember, produce, vegetable, fuel your body with good foods, make good choices. Until next week, Jen from Shift Cycling, have a great week, guys. We'll talk to you soon.